How to fix Windows Defender disable anti-spyware missing in registry. So if you want to fix the problem, then first you just need something to go with search and search for registry editor. Open up your registry editor, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface, right? What you need to do is just simply go with the location, which is HKey local machine. Enlarge your HKey local machine, and under your HKey local machine, you need to go with software. And on the software, you need to just scroll down and go with policies. Now, under policies, you need to open up your Microsoft and then go with Windows Defender. Enlarge the Windows Defender. Once you click on it, now here on the right side, if you don't have disable anti-spyware, then what you need to do is just right click on it and then go with new and go with DWORD 32-bit value. And you need to give it a name as disable anti-spyware. Once you've done, now you need to double click on it, and here if your value data is 1, which means it is disabled, and if your value data is 0, which means it's enabled. So make sure that your value data is 0 and then go with OK and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.